wife to seek medical attention. Now, the same Kevin Taylor, whenever he is sick and he needs drugs, he is able to talk to his doctor. His doctor prescribes the drug. It is emailed to whichever pharmacy that he is there. Pharmacy the doctor email because without him going, they have that the Affordable Care Act, which is what the Affordable Care Act is what they call the Obamacare. Now you are there in America. America is doing that healthcare now. We started before that. Some government comes to collapse national health insurance scheme. Why? Service providers said government is not paying them. It is evidence. Then, what America? I will say Obamacare, good. It's one of the reasons why that makes America great. You are not happy, say, another government has come in your country that has made national health insurance no work again. Sometimes when I talk, people should just allow me to talk because some of these boys, other than the money they are taking from these politicians, their brain is gone. They are not for Ghana. You are in America. Kevin Taylor, you I'm talking to now because more na mode say ye and say Jimmy any better na social media ye ni na yesu e to da na beba ya no because ya se me hu se ye depend ya tem me no say nipa no mihia wa wan hwa mawo hwe no kura pregu na ti ha. Kevin Taylor is in America. As I speak to you, God has blessed him with beautiful kids. God has blessed him with a beautiful wife. Now listen to this. When the wife is sick, the wife picks up the phone, call 911. In the next few minutes or seconds, there's an ambulance there to help transport the wife to seek medical attention. Now, the same Kevin Taylor, whenever he is sick and he needs drugs, he is able to talk to his doctor. His doctor prescribes the drug. It is emailed to whichever pharmacy that he is there. Pharmacy the doctor email because without him going to even see the doctor. When I hear online doctor checkup you to meet your drone na ya send a drone the ayeden e dia ma pharmacy a ben. It makes America great. Now look at this. Why I tell you say Kevin Taylor na dwene ye adwuma na sika na odi akire. Hwade you Kevin Taylor, you are in America. America is great because when you call ambulance, it comes. Ghana, as at 2016, the ambulance are near 55. 55, 30 of them was not working. I stand to be corrected. Those that were working, they are not made for funu, as the California funua, no more their coffee. Oh, here in the Domo do better that simu, and Ebama Toyota his near the better to you taxi boot, and no more do better. But as the California dear, no, if funu and a near defa. Kevin Taylor, you were in Ghana when they went to bring that stupid thing called Onuado Vans. Look at this Onuado Vans, supposed to be a mobile clinic. Where did it work? Where did it go? Then, America is great because of the health service. In this case, we are talking about ambulances. A government comes, despite all the struggle, despite all the stuff that he's going through, he promises that I will give every constituency, one ambulance. And yeah, enough there. But at least, if each constituency can get an ambulance, at least it will a better transporting away our pregnant women, our sick people and stuff to the hospital. No stress was a better so kakra. So me Kevin Taylor, me wa America. What makes America great is that their ambulances work. We had an ambulance service that was depleted. They took money. This too, Kevin Taylor knows. NDC took money. Even when they were told not to pay these things because these ambulances are not fit for purpose. Atoforsen still signed. Right now, he's in court for that thing. And got ambulances are yen to mean fanya she. Last time, Honorable Hoops in Neme and I'm say, hey, Honorable. Inti NDC for point to no bonne no ya Ghana for who and I say Ghana for that kata yeni because are you telling me say omo disika yes mean to ya because why nipa now or no ye health minister no akachiro say these things no there ain't to me mwayen dia oshe ambulance commission nankasa so Dr. Zachary andOkraso abeka kire mo say sebe these ambulances are not fit for purpose so don't pay for it na sebe enye ya ene krono Sekoto ambulance bra. Wokoya, wakoto sebe, car to adakato say modeba na magazine for abebo mpa eni nkonwa de asisim ambulance ye say ba say ho monitors ne shocks ne ade ni na wo mu kama no empa ne ade wo mu kama no momo de amokofa ba ye de enye no na mokofa ba ye debi momo de amokofa ba ye na enye no na mokofa ba ye. You went and brought Toyota Hayes and Dahood Grace was a one and I'm with the begu ho. Aye hunde no mudi begu ho. Oko be makampo last na me catch them. Me se moko be makampo e bigu ho. Mo be ko hu the omoko fabre Ghana for say this was going to be an ambulance and they squandered the money. In this Kevin Taylor ye nyansani no yo no crafo no pese Ghana for gini di say Ghana kan kunti. President and his wife. Etumi kojiska. Na yesi ye diskane koye see. Now at the end of the day, you diverted sa loan and they are the fufro. Now, a Kufuado comes. Okoji loan saw the year we are, and none of the year. Or yes, we a commission my near Juma. Unlike in Crawford, or more commission, yeah, so nothing, nothing happened. You were on the catcher and say, whole airport, a duly commissioned, you at it. Plain and to order 6 years. But they claim it was duly commissioned. Yakoye container. And the day you be too surround your catcher said that is control tower of whole aerodrome. The sad irony of it, they say, Sikano Krapo Nyaba idea. Ghana Airport Company na Sika Yenya say, the way a who Omunya oil, no munya idea, and a viable. Internet, the SC Yana say, Benya aerodrome or what, a banner critical, you between the other day, and they are funny, my dear for passengers, they are about a business, to me, who. Then all you needed to do as a government was to supervise it, like Akufo-Addo has done in Kumasi, to make sure say that the project comes to a completion. You are not able to do that. You are not able to do that. And then you go and commission it. Not plain M2. You commission it because the people there don't even understand what an aerodrome is, or they don't understand. You're taking them for granted. Oh, wait a minute, airport here. This is how they see us. This is how NDCC are. Because if you have respect for your constituents, you will not go and do that shabby thing and call it, say, you have opened an airport for them. It's very dishonest. But again, like I said, the Ghana man is not about moving Ghana forward. The Ghana man is about moving his stomach forward. That is why most of them who are fire do train. I didn't know when it's him and they said, "Who see that when the Yemen and Funya can say anything?" So now back to Oliver Omevona Semnibio. I'm an economic freedom fighter. My government was under IMF. Now my government is no longer under IMF conditionalities. My economic freedom fighter. Me say no. We should go and do a coup d'etat. What sense is